My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Babydoge coin. Absolutely, my friends, this time the Babydoge coin is the trending token in the market. You can see here the changes occurring in the Babydoge coin is 35.05%. Oh my goodness, it is time the massive gains occurred by the Babydoge coin. That's a really big update of the Babydoge coin. And other side, my friends, if we talk about the price of the Babydoge coin, so you know what, my friends, the people want to buy the low price cryptocurrencies, and the Babydoge coin price is very low. That is why the price changes of the Babydoge coin is going to increase every minute, every hour. The Dogecoin taken a huge pump, my friends. So that's why I really recommend for everyone that now Babydoge coin is the low price cryptocurrencies. Invest more and more in this token, my friends. Absolutely. And this time, let's suppose, just imagine you buy 1 million Babydoge coin, and after 1 year they are going to hit a $1. So you have a $1 million profit from a Babydoge coin, my friends. So buy more and more Babydoge coin, my friends, because now this time the price is very low, my friends. And let's see more about the price statistic of the Babydoge coin. But please, my friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Oh my god, there is no data available about Babydoge coin. The trading volume is going to decrease, my friends. Oh my goodness, what's going on in the Babydoge coin? Trading volume is increased, but don't worry about this. They will again positive, my friends, now because the price of the Babydoge coin is low. That is why I'm sure that Babydoge coin will take in a huge pump and the trading volume has become increased, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.